Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase Tabby card limit. So Tabby reward responsible users. So you need to use your card regularly and always pay your installments on time. Late payments can hurt your chances of getting an increase. Tabby reviews your spending and the payment behavior. So if you are eligible, your limit may increase automatically over time. For that, you don't need to even apply for it. You need to make sure that your personal details and your income information are up to the date in the Tabby application. A higher income may improve your eligibility for a limit increase. If you have a solid payment record, you can request a review through the application or customer support. While approval isn't guaranteed, it's worth a try. The key to increase your Tabby limit is responsible usage. So you need to just stay on track and your spending power may grow. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.